There's nothing false about false chords, except the name. Let's go into it, shall we? Soren here from RMS Vocal Institute. First of all, I don't know why someone wanted to call a perfectly named part in our voice box false chords. They already have a name. They're called the ventricular folds or the vestibular folds. But here at RMS Vocal Institute, we chose to call the distorted mechanism, for example, M1. Not to be confused with LM1, laryngeal mechanism, but basically what we mean is this is the natural state of your larynx combined with your ventricular folds, M1. And if you didn't watch the video earlier with Rocky, please go there. You'll be able to see that I was able to close my ventricular folds on command, meaning no sound, no airflow going through, for me to close my ventricular folds and pull them apart again. So it might take some time, don't worry about it. It just takes a little bit of effort. But how to find them? Well, you have probably watched a million videos on how to find the ventricular folds, false chords. How I like to approach finding the ventricular folds is either using kume or kaikia. Kume being the Japanese version, kaikia being the Chinese version. So let's just take one of them. Let's take kume as an example. They say rounded lip shape with a soft tongue while saying the words woo, woo-wah. So let's try that. Woo-wah. And there we go. We found our ventricular folds. Second off, how to stretch them? Well, the same thing as you just did. We make a phonation on our ventricular folds, just like when doing a lip roll. Brrr, it is the same. Now when doing a lip roll, brrr, it is on the true chords and they are doing vibrations, aka phonation. So go up and down in pitch with these kaikia kume sounds on your ventricular folds. I hope this helped for you to find your ventricular folds. Otherwise, book a lesson at rmsvocalinstitute.com. See you there. Do not forget to subscribe either, make that bell ring, and comment below if there is any questions that you may have. See you there.